Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 7 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a flower. And I've already put my background down and I've got these flowers. We've got a receipt with a printed logo. Well, I just cut off the logo. So I've got that. I just cut it off from this receipt. I didn't want the whole receipt. I mean, don't even want to use that. Something with metallic ink. I've got this ink pen. Something with wings. I've got this little fairy. Something stapled. I'm going to make a tab out of this and staple that on. And the bonus is coffee or tea stained. And I've got this. And I will make a little label with that. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Now these images came from this Mirror Me Small Art. I have a video where I did a flip through. I'll try to remember to link it, but I'm not very good at that. But the images are just so pretty. And I've used them a couple of times, but I thought with wings, a fairy would be perfect. And I have this book, and it's supposed to be back down in the teens next week. So, first of all, I am going to go ahead and make my label just to get that part done. I just thought I would use that tea-stained paper. And I just cut me down a label. So I am gonna, I've got these other little bits I've got from here. So I've got the little lamp post. And I got this cute little bird. I think he's adorable. So I'm gonna have him stand there and have her stand like that. Just have them standing together. See, don't. Make it one like that. So let me get her down. Yes, I am filming this Saturday. So you'll be seeing this tomorrow, and they are talking about bad weather. I'm not looking forward to that. Now I want to put that down. This is going to be a quick video. I was late with yesterday's video because I was fussy cutting flowers, and it took me a lot longer to do that than I thought it would. So I didn't get it done until Saturday, which is today for me. Okay, I'm going to add that little birdie down. I love, love, love the expressions. And now I'm going to add in my label. I'll just put it up here. And I have these little stars that I thought I would add. There we go. And now I'll just add, I want this straightest on the front. And I will just staple this tab. Or maybe I will. Let's see, maybe if I glue it. Something to hold it down first. we go, and I've got those pretty staples. And now for my metallic ink. So I think I'm just gonna add a few more stars here. I've got it in the pink. And I wondered about maybe outlining her with pink instead of black. I hope I won't regret this. Just to help her to pop from the, maybe it's like her little fairy glow. And I already inked everything. I like it. I think I'm going to do the bird. That's pretty. So let's see, I've got my flower, which you still see them. Something with metallic ink, I've got that. Oh, my receipt with a printed logo, I've got that. Something with wings, I've got my fairy. Oh, I didn't. There we go. Let's see here. We have got something stapled. I've got my tab stapled. And bonus is coffee or tea stained. And I've got my paper there. I think I will outline that. Oops. I need a steady hand. Yeah. And I think I'll just, instead of my gold splatters, I'll just add a few more of the little stars. And I'll call that one done. So now I just sign my book. I have really enjoyed the ring binder for the Margarete Miller. And I will just add my prompts. So we've got everything. I've already went over that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025cwp7 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care now. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.